Why am I here?
In a dream.
In a dream? How?
The tape you held back then was a device that records dreams.
Huh?
And someone else has been editing them.
Really?
Each playback changes reality a little more.
Now what? We just joined the Fast and Furious franchise?
Shut up and hold on, Toretto. You don't turn your back on family. Even when they do.
You're quoting memes while driving through the apocalypse?
Keeps me focused.
They're not backing off!
Then we don't either.
He took the bait!
Family.
You hit the brakes?
Sometimes, you gotta slow down to finish first.